Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin, RNDR token. We're currently having a huge rally in the altcoin market. RNDR token is up 302% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 week, we've seen this token gone up 92.3%. What's the realistic price expectation for RNDR token in 2023? How high can we pump before the end of the year? Is it possible for us to set new all-time highs? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the RNDR token US dollar price chart on the 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at RNDR tokens performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at RNDR tokens market cap, which currently sits around $422 million. How high can we go in this bear market rally? Can we set new all-time highs, blasting above the $1.4 billion region where we saw RNDR token get to in late November 2021? Can we blast above the $1.5 billion region where RNDR tokens market cap got to in late 2021? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We start 2023 on a very bright note. Altcoins have been pumping to the moon. But guys, we shouldn't get carried away. We're still deep in the crypto bear market. And if we go on a yearly time frame, RNDR token is down 53.5%. But it's not all bad news for altcoins in 2023. We have seen them pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. RNDR token has gone up more than 300% in the last 1 month. So how high should we expect this altcoin to go before the end of 2023? If the first month of the year has seen RNDR token gone up around 300%, should we expect this altcoin to pump to new all-time highs before the end of the year? In the previous bull run, we saw RNDR token be among the huge gainers. From June 2020, RNDR token went up more than 19,000% in just 525 days. $1,000 invested in RNDR token in June 2020 would have returned more than $198,000 by November 2021. Altcoins are very, very volatile to the upside. In the bull market, they go up to the moon, but we have the reverse of that happening in the bear market. We see these altcoins dumping to goblin town just because they pump to the moon in the bull market. In the bear market, it's usual for us to see altcoins lose around 90 to 99% of their value from their bull market highs. In the case of RNDR token, we have seen it gone down 96.83% from its bull market high. We saw it drop that low in June 2022. Since then, RNDR token has continued rallying up to higher prices. Slowly but surely, we have seen this altcoin go from as low as $0.28, rallying up to as high as $1.69. From June 2022, RNDR token is up 490% in the last 227 days. But guys, as we're pumping to higher prices, we should know that we're going to be facing some heavy resistance along the way. The first level where I see RNDR token finding some difficulties right now might come around the $1.8 region. First, we saw this altcoin having difficulties going above the $1 region. We got to the $1 region in November 2022. We got rejected at that level, went down, worked our way back. And we're starting February 2023 on a very bright note. We have seen RNDR token work its way towards that $1.8 region. Guys, we have major resistance waiting for us at that $2.4 region. We saw RNDR token pump to as high as $2.4 in March 2021, and for some reasons we got rejected at that level, and we saw RNDR token go to gather itself up before we could set new all-time highs. Above the $1.8 region, RNDR token would have gone up really well in this relief rally. Could have gone up from the $0.27 region. RNDR token would have been up more than 566%. Guys, in a relief rally, yes, we'll be expecting higher prices, but we should not be expecting anything crazy like new all-time highs. Even though with altcoins, anything is possible, they can really pump to higher prices in a short period of time. For RNDR token, from the 16th of January 2021 to the 26th of March 2021, in just 69 days, we saw RNDR token going up over 2,600%. That's a 26x return in just 69 days. So I won't be shocked to see RNDR token probably even pump to new all-time highs before the end of this relief rally. I won't be shocked to see RNDR token pump to new all-time highs before the end of this rally. But guys, we have to be realistic. We are deep in a bear market. And even though we are seeing some pumps to the upside, we have a lot of resistance waiting for us where a lot of people will be willing to sell. The maximum I see us going in this relief rally, if we're lucky, is if Render token gets to as high as the $3.6 region, and by that level, we would have been up more than 700% from the bottom where we got to at the $0.28 region. Render token would have been up a 10x return from that June 2022 bottom. And guys, some smart investors will be taking some profit. So realistically in 2023, you want to be getting ready for the next bull run, even though we're seeing increase on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, on the monthly time frame. The real investors in the market are slowly accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run. In a relief rally, a lot of people start foaming into those green candles. But guys, you don't want to be buying all those green candles. You want to wait for those pullbacks. On this channel, we've been advocating for dollar cost averaging. We had a lot of opportunities to buy Render tokens since June 2022. Right now, we're pumping to higher prices. Even though we might still see a pullback back to the $1 region from where Render token is currently trading, for it to set new all-time highs, we have to see it pump an additional 419%. By the end of the next bull run, I believe we'll see this altcoin setting new all-time highs, blasting above the $8.5 region. But right now, we've gone through the first phase of the bear market where we'll have the markdown period. I believe Render token is going through accumulation. 2023 is going to be the great year of accumulation. So at any point in time where we get rejected as we're pumping to the upside, let's expect Render token to go through some period of reconsolidation. Maybe we'll have a pullback that will take us back to the lows, the $0.27 lows. Maybe we'll not get that low in this bear market. But guys, remember with altcoins, there's no guarantees that the bottom is in, and we can easily start dumping to gobbling town. If you take a look at some details about Render token, in the last 1 year, this altcoin has gone from as high as $4.17 to as low as $0.27. And right now, Render token is back above $1.67. With a market cap of $424 million, Render token has a fully diluted market cap of $897 million. A maximum supply of 536 million tokens, more than 253 billion of those tokens are in circulation. Render token is ranked 89 on coin market cap. We have over 100,000 people that have this altcoin on their watch list. And while we want to get some Render token for yourself in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run, Render token is a distributed GPU rendering network built on top of Ethereum blockchain, aiming to connect artists, studios in need of GPU computing power with mining partners willing to lend their GPU capability out. If you want to get some Render tokens for yourself in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run, if you believe we'll see this altcoin pumping into new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run, blasting above the $8.5 region, guys, you can get some on Binance, on KuCoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Uniswap, on Bitstamp, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Guys, in 2023, even though I'll be cheering up for Render token to set new all-time highs, we might just see it get rejected either at the $1.8 region. Best case scenario, we'll see it get into that $3.6 region before we get rejected. Still in the bear market, and Render token has been outperforming Bitcoin in this rally. We have been seeing it pump to the upside since June 2022 against Bitcoin. Render token is currently up 364% against Bitcoin. But let's not get carried away. All coins can be very, very volatile, especially when you see them giving us all those green candles to the upside. Bitcoin is the king of the market, and in the bear market, even though we see these altcoins rallying up against Bitcoin, just know that after every huge rally altcoins have against Bitcoin, we're going to go through a period of consolidation and a period of dump where these altcoins might dump really well to gobbling town against Bitcoin. In the bull run, we saw Render token outperform Bitcoin by over 2,000% in just 72 days. After that, we had to take a chill pill for around 216 days where we saw Render token dumping 75% against Bitcoin. But after every major dumps comes another huge pump to the upside, and we saw Render token give us one final pump before the end of the bull run in November 2021, where it rallied up around 945% against Bitcoin. So yes, we're happy Render token is rallying up against Bitcoin starting 2023 on a very bright note, but let's keep it in the back of our mind that at any point in time this rally can come to an end, and we might start seeing Render token continue dumping to gobbling town against Bitcoin. If you take a look at Render token's performance against Ethereum, we have been dumping to gobbling town since November 2021, but in the last 40 days, we're seeing Render token outperforming Ethereum. We're seeing it rise from the ashes. Right now, it's currently up around 220% to the upside against Ethereum. Again, guys, you don't want to get carried away. You don't want to start flipping your Ethereum and some Bitcoin for some Render token. Remember, we're still deep in the bear market, and smart investors are not rushing in, accumulating getting FOMO'd by the green candles. You want to take your time. You want to dollar cost average through the process. Guys, as we're having these green candles to the upside, at some point in time in the future, we're going to have some huge dumps to the downside. And if you go all in, you won't have some capital to take advantage of those lower prices. If you take a look at Render Tokens market cap currently working its way towards that $500 million region, we have seen Render Tokens market cap drop to as low as $70 million in this bear market, but that was in June 2022, and since then, Render Tokens market cap has rallied up 500%, up to around $423 million. Guys, remember, we're in a relief rally. Even though we're expecting Render Tokens to continue pumping to higher prices, the reality of things is that in a relief rally, we're just getting a pump to the upside to get people bullish so that we can continue dumping to the downside, probably to set new all-time lows. Best case scenario, we're going back to test that $70 million region, and from where Render Tokens market cap is right now, that will require us to dump another 83% to go back to test the lows. What will happen to the price of Render token in 2023 if we see it dropping to go test the lows? It will have to go from the $1.70 region back to the $0.28 region. Render token will have to drop another 83.5%. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, are you still accumulating some Render token in this bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? In the previous bull run, smart investors that got into Render token when it was still down in Goblin Town had the advantage of getting more than a 200x return on investment. Are you going to be holding some Render token till it breaks to new all-time highs? Are you going to be one of the smart investors that's going to hold through all the chaos? Because if you take a look at what Render token did in the previous bull run, even though we're pumping to higher prices, we still had some dumps along the way. So will you still be holding Render token through all this chaos till it gets to the $20 region, maybe even as high as $30? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.